Vikashit Bharat Shiksha Adhishtan to facilitate the universities and other higher educational institutions to become independent, self-governing institutions and to promote excellence through a robust and transparent system of accreditation and autonomy.
Honorable Dharmendra Pradhan ji to move a motion for the nomination of 10 members to the Joint Committee on the Vikshit Bharat Shiksha Adhishtan Bill 2025.
Honorable Chairman, sir, with your kind permission, I rise to move the motion that this House concurs in the recommendation of the Lok Sabha to join the Joint Committee of House on the Bill to enable and empower the universities and other higher educational institutions to achieve excellence in teaching, learning, research and innovation through coordination and determination of standards in institutions for higher education or research and scientific technical institutions, and for the purpose of constitute a Vikashit Bharat Shiksha Adhishtan to facilitate the universities and other higher educational institutions to become independent, self-governing institutions and to promote excellence through a robust and transparent system of accreditation and autonomy, and for matters concerned therewith or incidental thereto, and resolve that 10 members of the Rajya Sabha be nominated by the chairman to serve on the said joint committee. Sir, I move the motion.
Motion moved. Those in favor will please say aye. Aye. Those against will please say no. I think the ayes have it, the ayes have it, the ayes have it. The motion is adopted.